How do you pay on TurboTax Deluxe? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open TurboTax on a website or on desktop. Now make sure to sign into your account. Now from the left hand side panel, select Intuit account. Once you do, you're going to find different options on the left hand side panel. Go ahead and select the one that is payment methods. Now all of your payment methods will be listed over here. If you want to add one, click on add payment method. Now you can select credit/debit card or bank transfer. Select whichever you prefer. If you select credit/debit card, go ahead and enter your credit or debit card number on the first box. Now enter the expiry date of your card. Select month, year, then enter your CVV number. After that, you want to enter your name on the card. Now you want to enter your billing address. Go ahead and enter details such as your address, zip code, and city. Then select your state. After you've entered all the details, click on the submit option. Once you have added your payment method on TurboTax, you will be able to pay using that. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.